drums, Barry on the keyboards, and Don Catullo on the accordion. And from me, Bruce Davis, there's just time to say thank you for choosing to be with us. And if you're able, get on your feet and help us with Auld Lang Syne.